In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can quickly and easily change the calculation that goes on inside of a pivot table. So here we have a pivot table where the data is arranged, where we have a value for each year, each region, and inside the pivot table, we have annual sales for each region. But let's just say instead of having the total amount of sales for each region, we wanted to have the number of sales for each region. So to make this quick change, what we can do is, well, first, if you don't have it open already, click inside the pivot table. After clicking inside the pivot table, go to the top right, go to Pivot Table Analyze. And then on the right, it says Show. Click Show Field List. And then after this, you're going to want to scroll down this field list, and you have this little four corners things right here, and it says Value. Where you can click that, click on the drop down right here, and then after this, the list is going to pop up. On the very bottom, you're going to want to click value field settings, and then here you can change the calculation that occurs. So you can show the count, average, max, min, standard deviation, and more. But for this case, you just want the count, and click OK. And then it's still formatted as currency. We can change this to go to home, and then currency. Just click on this drop down, and then change number, or click Alt to H and N. And here you can see we have the number of sales too. And one thing to know is that you can have more than just a value shown. So here we have count of sales. We click on the drop down again, field value settings. One thing to know is you can also change how the value is shown as. So you can show it, for example, as a percent of grand total, as a percent of column total, percent of row total, percent of parent row total, and a lot more, making it to where you can quickly and easily have calculations occur inside of the pivot table instead of having to do them yourself. So I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.